A TENS unit is a portable, pocket-sized battery-powered device that uses mild and safe electrical signals to treat pain through electrode pads. The new wireless TENS and EMS system uses this technology to send impulses from a remote control to a receiver with an electrode attached to them. This guide will show you how to operate the MedFit wireless system. Our wireless systems are unique in that you don't need any cables or additional batteries to use them, and charging the internal batteries with the supplied USB cable is easy. To use, begin by taking your machine out of its packaging, then ensure the remote and modules are fully charged. You can charge your machine by attaching the provided USB cable to your device and either the supplied AC adapter or a USB slot on your computer. Next, turn the remote on by flicking the small black switch on the side. The battery icon at the top of the display shows the amount of charge in the battery. Next, clip the TENS modules onto an electrode pad, making sure that it's pushed firmly into place. Press the On button. A green light will indicate the unit is on. Each module has a separate channel to control its settings. You can find the channel number on the modules. Now you can place the electrodes on the painful areas as shown in the patient's guide or as directed by your healthcare professional. Here we apply them on the lower back to treat someone suffering from sciatica. As they're self-adhesive, they'll just stick to your skin. The modules are so small and light you'll even be able to place clothing over the top of them and move around freely whilst receiving treatment. After 4 or 5 applications, the gel on the self-adhesive electrodes will lose some of its adhesion. To rejuvenate the electrode, place a small amount of water onto the pad with your finger. Smear the water evenly. The water will be absorbed into the pad and rejuvenate it, leaving it refreshed. Now it's time to start using your TENS machine. Begin by choosing the channel for your module using the C button. Here we select Channel 1. Next, the wireless TENS and EMS system has 4 modes or treatments available. By pressing the M button on your remote, you will change the mode. Electrical stimulation is felt differently by each person, so try each mode out to see which works best for you. You can find what each mode does in the user manual provided. In this instance, we will use M1, the recommended introduction setting. You can then increase and decrease the intensity by pressing the plus and minus buttons on your remote. Increase the intensity until you feel a comfortable and noticeable tingling sensation that is not too strong. As you use the TENS for longer periods, it may be necessary to increase the intensity to higher levels. To control your pain effectively, it is recommended that the first treatment should be a minimum of 1 hour to give the best results. The wireless TENS and EMS system has a unique function where it can also be used to treat 2 parts of the body at the same time with separate intensities and settings. Clip on, switch on and place the electrode in the desired location, much like before. Then press the C button on the remote to select which module to use. In this case, Channel 2. Then the M button to select a mode. You can then increase and decrease the intensity to the desired and comfortable setting. To switch off, reduce the intensity down to 0 with the minus button. Do this for each of the modules, then remove the electrodes.